Hi, my name is Sebastian Daschner and welcome to the Pact Publishing video course of how to develop containerized Java EE 8 applications using Docker and Kubernetes. I'm a Java and Java Enterprise consultant, trainer and author, and also a conference speaker on regular international conferences, mostly in Java Enterprise area. I help standardizing the future of Java Enterprise in 3 expert groups for JAX-RS, Config, and JSONP. And also I'm a so-called Java champion, Oracle developer champion, and a 2016 Java 1 Rockstar speaker. So now for the overview of this video course and what we will cover. First of all, the first section will teach us how we can use Docker, how we can build our own Docker images, and how we can run Docker containers. Section 2 will show us how we can run our Java EE applications inside of Docker containers. Furthermore, how we configure these containerized Java applications will be part of Section 3. Section 4 will show us how we can finally use Kubernetes and orchestrate our containerized applications within this container orchestration technology. And finally, Section 5 will show us how we can integrate Java EE applications into a Kubernetes cluster. The prerequisites in order to execute the examples are: you need a Java 8 or newer installation, you need Maven 3 in order to build our Java Enterprise apps, and of course you need a Docker installation in order to build Docker images. Then you need access to some Kubernetes cluster environment, either using Minikube within a local installation or by any cloud offering. And also it helps to have a basic Java EE knowledge to understand how we build these enterprise apps. Now for the goals of this course. At the end, you should be able to package, distribute and run applications in Docker containers. You will know how to install and configure containerized application servers that run in Docker. And of course, you will be able to deploy applications using Kubernetes by using Kubernetes pods, deployments and services. Also, you will learn how to leverage the production readiness features of Kubernetes. Then you will be able to configure containerized and orchestrated applications that run using Docker and Kubernetes, and how we can realize persistence within cluster environments. Finally, you also will be able to access these orchestrated applications and external systems, and how to troubleshoot containers and the overall cluster when something goes wrong in our Kubernetes deployment. Now I hope you will enjoy watching this video course and learn a lot how to use Docker and Kubernetes. Thanks for watching.